Hello gorgeous! Welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you how to do a simple sleigh of individual crochet. I did this beautiful look on my daughter. This is of course her finished look. Stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how we achieve this beautiful seamless hairstyle. First, you will need Senegal twists. This is number 2, 18-inch long. You will also need a crochet pin. I used Senegal red, but of course you can use whatever color you would like, also 18-inch long. This is a cocktail by Eco, and this, of course, the gorilla snot to keep her hair well maintained. As you can see, I've already completed several of the twists. I twisted her own individual hair, and then I work my way up the individual strand or twist. Then I pull her hair through after capturing it with the needle. This look, my friends, is just really simple, I thought. And instead of me individually braiding the twist or putting the twists in her hair, it's so convenient to have the twist already done. You buy them and you simply install them. Here I am braiding her hair, her individual strands, right? And what I did is make sure that I braided the top, the scalp section, and then I twisted all the way down. I'm working my way all the way up the crochet, pulling her hair through the crochet. Take a look at it one more time. I'm braiding and then I'm twisting. I twist all the way down to the ends. I install the crochet, twist, and then I work my needle all the way up to the twist, pull her hair through, and just kind of tug on it so it straightens out. Again, braid, twist, install the crochet, start at as far down on the crochet as I can possibly start, and then pull her hair through. Moisturize again. Make sure you add as much moisture as the hair would need. I braid, twist. I'm not braiding for a long time, but I'm making sure that it's tight enough on her scalp, which makes the style last a lot longer. I pulled through. This time I'm doing the red, and I didn't like the way it was done the first time. I was seeing too much of her hair, her own hair sticking out through the red. And then here's the finished look. So I did all that. It took us approximately 3 hours, give or take. But what do you think? I think it turned out pretty nice, and she can style it in any which way she would like to style it. She's probably gonna do a waterfall or something like that. She can pull it up in a bun if she wants to. Thank you guys for watching here today. Gorgeous tomorrow. Stay gorgeous.